Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace water pump on Ford Fusion, easy method. Begin by draining the coolant into a clean catch pan and disposing responsibly. Wear gloves and safety glasses to protect hands and eyes from coolant and debris. Label hoses and bolts as you remove them to simplify reassembly. Keep a magnetic tray for fasteners and take photos of belt routing for reference during installation and timing. Organize your workspace and lay out tools in the order you will use them to save time. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly with a gasket scraper and a lint-free rag for a proper seal. Check the new pump for pre-applied sealant or loose parts before fitting. Replace any worn belt tensioner components while you have access to reduce future labor. Keep fresh coolant nearby for an efficient refill and bleed. Loosen the belt tensioner and slide the serpentine belt off the pulleys carefully to avoid misrouting. Remove bolts in a crisscross pattern and lift the old pump straight off to avoid damaging the housing. Clean the flange area meticulously and fit the new gasket, ensuring correct orientation and no pinched edges. Hand start bolts, then torque them in sequence to specification. Reinstall the belt, refill coolant, and run the engine to check for leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.